Agoda Review. Watch before using. Most people think all hotel booking sites show the same prices, but you won't believe what happens next when you compare Agoda carefully. Agoda is a global travel booking platform best known for hotel deals, especially across Asia, Europe, and popular tourist destinations. It also offers flights, airport transfers, and vacation rentals, but its real strength is accommodation pricing. The surprising truth is that Agoda often shows lower hotel prices than many competitors. This is because Agoda works closely with regional hotel networks and offers special mobile-only and flash discounts. In some destinations, travelers have reported saving between 10 and 30% compared to other booking platforms. But most people get this wrong. They focus only on the first price they see. Agoda often displays base prices before taxes and service fees. When you move to checkout, the total can be higher than expected. Always check the final price screen before confirming. Another thing to watch is cancellation policies. Some Agoda deals are non-refundable, even if they look flexible at first glance. If your travel plans are not fully confirmed, choosing a refundable option is safer, even if it costs a bit more. Agoda's loyalty program rewards frequent travelers with extra discounts and exclusive deals. Over time, this can lead to significant savings, especially for people who travel often in Asia. Customer service quality varies by region, but many travelers report fast digital support through the app and website. Still, complicated refund cases can take time to resolve. Agoda is best for budget-conscious travelers who are willing to double-check details and want access to strong hotel discounts. The surprising truth is that Agoda can save you real money, but only if you read carefully and compare totals, not just headline prices. Subscribe for more honest travel booking reviews that help you spend less and travel smarter.